welcome to another Lawn Fawn video. Today we are so excited to be going over more products from our Fall and Winter 2021 release. We've had so much fun during this September Inspiration Week and we've been featuring a lot of our fall products. Well, this release also includes winter and Christmas products too, and we're going to be featuring those in October and November Inspiration Weeks, and we're going to give you a little peek at that today. Now, the awesome thing is that all of these fall and winter products are available on September 16th. And we are so excited about that. And so we thought it would be fun to give you a little peek at these products while we wait for our October 6th Inspiration Week to start. First up, we're going to show you a brand new product that I am so excited about, and that is our new zipper pouches. These zipper pouches are so super cute. They have a little turquoise zipper and that little lawn fawn tag there. And of course, it opens up, and on the inside you can see it's made out of a cotton canvas. They're 8 3/4 inches by 11 inches and have the cutest phrases. This one is "Crafting makes me smile." And then the next one that we have is "Happiness is a pouch full of stamps." And it really is, isn't it? And guess what we have on the inside of this bag? We're going to open it up and we have the rest of the stamps and dies that we haven't quite yet featured yet that we're going to be featuring in October and November. And we thought it would be fun to go over them really quickly. So first up, we're going to be starting with our new set, Joy to All. And this set is so very cute with that Christmas tree and the little kids around the tree. And here's a cute little flippy floppy card we created with this set. And as you pull the tab, there's a little gift card hidden, which is so awesome. Next up, we're going to take a look at Furry and Bright. This set is so cute on its own with those little Christmas pups, but they're really awesome to mix with Joy to All too. And if you remember, we created a cute flippy floppy card with that in the intro to Flippy Floppy video. And here's another card that combines those two sets together, and you may notice there's a cute little scene in the background. Well, that's from our brand new Window Scene Winter stamp set, which is so adorable, and that little couch, how fun is that? I love that these three work great on their own, but they're perfect mixed together too to make the cutest cards. And check out this flippy floppy card. How adorable is that little dog popping in and out? I just love it. You may have noticed some new dies in there too, and that is our window frame die and Christmas garland die. And these work great with those stamp sets or on their own. And here's a cute little card here featuring that window with the window scene and that adorable couch and those cute little pups. They're so fun to mix and match together. And here is our new Penguin Party stamp set. This set is so cute and it's so fun to create scenes with. And here's an adorable little card featuring our brand new foiled paper that I love so much. We'll be showing you in a little bit. And you may have noticed a new die on that card too, and we have a new Giant Let It Snow and Giant Merry Christmas that make for the cutest cards, especially clean and simple cards when you're mass producing for the holidays, and they're just so fun. Oh, I love them so much. And the Christmas tree on that Let It Snow card, it's a new paper piecing die along with our cheery deer, and these are so much fun to work with. And take a look at these cards. I love the ornaments cut out of holographic cardstock, and that little deer with the lights is so sweet and cute. We have some new Magic Iris products. So we have our Magic Holiday Messages and our Magic Iris Snowflake add-on. These are awesome with the Magic Iris or without, and take a look at how beautiful that snowflake looks cut from the holographic cardstock. We also have another fun sentiment set, and it's Giant Holiday Messages, and oh my goodness, I am in love with this set because it makes the cutest quick and easy cards. Take a look at how fun this Merry Christmas card is. And then next up, we have some fun background creators. So we have our Stitch Snowflake backdrop and a new Snowflake background stencil set that I just love, and look how beautiful the cards turn out. Over on the left there, we have that Giant Holiday Messages, and on the right, we have that fun flippy floppy card from the intro video. We also have our brand new Tiny Winter Friends, and these little guys are so cute. And there's also a snowflake, a reindeer, and a sled included in this set. And look how adorable the cards turn out. Those little tiny friends are a perfect match for our Window Scenes Winter. Merry Mice is finally here. You guys have been requesting it, and we brought it back. And look how cute this little set is. It's so cute and perfect for Chibitronics cards too, which is awesome. We have a new outside-in Stitch Snowflake and Stitch Snowflake frame. These are great for layering for shaker cards and really cute, clean and simple tags. And here's a look at some projects by Shari that are so cute. I love the tag, and the shaker with the stencil snowflakes is adorable. Next up, we have some peppermint themed products. We have our peppermint stripes backdrop and also our How You Bean peppermint add-on, which is a perfect match for our How You Bean jar. And these cards turn out so cute. And look at this card by Tammy. Isn't it just stunning? And here's another one with the peppermint stripes background that I just adore. And then I promised to show you some really cool foiled paper. This is our brand new Let It Shine Snowflakes, and take a look at how gorgeous this paper is. We have it in both 6x6 and 12x12. It's so pretty. Some of the papers are foiled, and then the other ones have this beautiful snowflake design, so you can easily mix and match them together. And here is a look at the 12x12 papers that you can see are so stunning. All of the A sides are foiled, and then the B sides are the ones that have that beautiful snowfall. And I just love these so much. They're so pretty to look at. I could just put them in the light and just shine them around all day. Here is a little look back at the cards we created during this September Inspiration Week. We had so much fun creating fall-themed and Halloween-themed projects, and also creating really cool interactive cards like the brand new Flippy Flappy, which is so much fun because you can do it with cute critters and you can do it with a gift card too. And so make sure to check out all of these intro videos. And we are so excited about the Inspiration Weeks to come in October and November, featuring our winter and Christmas products from this brand new release. And we also wanted to thank you guys so much for being so incredible. We appreciate it so much that you watch our videos and leave such lovely comments. Thank you so much. You guys really are dear to us. And you know what? Crafting really does make me smile, and I hope it makes you smile too. So thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye.